Today we are going to shift two of our important strategically located branches. One branch is shifting to new premises, and this branch we are giving additional space to them to have better customer service. This is all women employee branch, and they are doing fantastic business in this area. But customers' demand was more for additional space and additional locker services. And this being a high net worth people area, we thought to give it fitting services. So we have added more lockers here, and now we definitely hope that with these facility we have more customer satisfaction, which will result into better business for the branch. And under the leadership of Mrs. Rama Devi, this branch is doing very well. And how much importance is given to this branch, that can be seen from the fact that GM Mr. Jain has especially flown in from Chennai to this occasion. So I thank him also for sparing time, valuable time for the branch. And Bank of India, as you all know, is a financial supermarket. We are giving all type of customer service, be it loan side or deposit side. We have various range of deposit schemes for women as well as small customers. Similarly, in advances, right from small customers to big corporate, we are taking care of. You name any services and Bank of India is there to help you out. And especially in Andhra Pradesh, we are late entrant that way. Otherwise, Bank of India is second largest public sector bank in India, having more than 4,650 branches across the country. But in Hyderabad, we are spreading our wings very fast, and our special attention is in unbanked area. Last year we opened nearly 7 rural branches, and this year also we are going to open 16 branches, out of which 7 will be rural branches. So our special attention is basically to entrepreneurs, small entrepreneurs, retail customers, agriculturists. We are there for everybody. Agriculture, as I said, we are opening more rural branches in our area, so that special focus will be on agriculture only. And that way, all over India, this zone is one of those zones which has done pretty well in agricultural finance. And our most of our customers, they, as per this survey of private channels and private survey, they have given Bank of India thumbs up in agricultural credit. Retail customers, our as I said, we have all sort of products, but our special attention is on housing loan, loan against property, and educational loans. Educational loan, you will be happy to know that this zone is having a unique distinction of being occupying numero uno position in educational loan pan India. This was first in pan India who has sanctioned more loans, and we are there to help student in every way. Last year business, despite Telangana and all issue, was fantastic. We have more than 48% growth in advances, same way in deposit also. And this year we hope to better it. Number of branches, as I said, we intend to increase very fast, and this year we are planning to open 16 branches in Andhra Pradesh and 16 in Visakhapatnam zone. So more or less, last year we have nearly doubled our branches, and ATM also we have doubled. Yeah, SDV facility is another important area which we feel that rather getting all banking facilities, we believe that everybody should get it. So like first branch in India from Bank of India was opened in Gajarpalli in our zone, and there we have provided locker facility also. In this branch also we are increasing locker facility, especially additional space was taken to increase locker capacity. So everywhere we are going to provide all sort of services. No, last year our growth was not only in deposit side, advances side also we have done fantastic well. More than 50% growth we have given. And deposit side, we have a specific plan to cater to our organic growth, as well as we are adding number of products for every segment of depositor, be it a student, be it minor, be it senior citizen. Last year we introduced four products especially for ladies, for the senior citizen, and Star Gurukul was for teachers. So like that we are increasing every day. If not every day, every month we are trying to launch a new product to cater to all segment of depositors. I only wish that from now on, with additional space, branch will be able to cater to the all sort of customers. They will fulfill their deposit as well as advances needs, and ultimately we wish that not only bank but customer also should grow together, so it will be a win-win situation for all of us.